accept the loss, I'm hard-headed. A little bit of madness to my method. Many falling off that fine line that I'm treading. I risk anything to be great, and I'm not letting nobody rob me of my victory. Number one, that's what I'm meant to do. When by any means, only thing that makes sense to me, I can make nice or make history. I got that give me in, turn me up, big energy, got the crowd going nuts. I got that give me any up, I take on anyone, I don't need a one-on-one. I got that give me in, I'm talking all bite, no bark, I could rip your squad up. I got that give me so what's up? Yeah, so what's up? I told her move over. Enough of that mediocre I've been. The man since cruising around in the stroller. I got ice in my veins like a cut in Minnesota. Why not? Show you how I'm built. Come a little closer, ayy. Lot of heart.